Today was the launch of the first dealership of Benelli Keeway Moto with Alson Motors. It's a partnership with Alson Motors, and Alson Motors has a legacy of 70 years in Kashmir, and Benelli Motorboat Keeway has a legacy of 100 years from Italy and Hungary. The key features are basically this is first an international super bike that which is coming to Kashmir, which is having its own dealership and services in Kashmir. So that's one. Secondly, the range of the motorcycles and the motorbikes that we have are starting from 1.2 and going up to 7 lakhs, 7.5 lakhs. So it is for every pocket we have a bike, in the range of 1.2 to 7.5 lakhs. The message is that for the first time, an international brand has set up shop in Kashmir with services, with full-fledged services to be given. Please look at these bikes, buy these bikes, and ride safe. Of course. We would like Kashmir has so many districts, and as business would grow, we would definitely like to reach out to more and more customers in their districts.